In this video, I will guide you on how to see who checks your Snap location. The first thing you want to do is launch open Snapchat on your device. Now, head over to the Snap Map option over here. Then go ahead and tap on this settings icon. Now, you want to make sure that ghost mode is not toggled on. So make sure that you are not in ghost mode. After that, you want to head back. Now tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Then from here, tap on the gear icon. Now scroll down. Here, find My Data and select that. Now here, the only option you want to toggle on is ranking and location. Toggle this option on, then tap on Next. Now select your date range, then tap on Submit. Now you need to wait for Snapchat to send the data file to your email. Then you simply want to open the email from Snapchat, download the Snapchat data file to your phone, open the downloaded file, find the section related to Snapchat map location views, and check the list of friends who viewed your Snap map location. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.